You're not lazy. You're not dumb. You're not bad at studying. Your real problem is simple. You don't understand what you're trying to learn. That's it. Most students think studying means reading more, highlighting more, repeating more. But here's the truth nobody told you. If you don't understand something, repeating it 100 times won't fix it. Your brain can't memorize what it doesn't understand. And here's the part that changes everything. You don't need to struggle alone. You don't need to guess. You don't need to waste hours trying to decode complicated paragraphs. Because now, you can ask AI to explain anything, clear, simple, fast. Instead of forcing your brain to memorize things you don't get, just copy the paragraph, paste it in an AI tool like Perplexity or ChatGPT and say, "Explain this to me in a simple way that I can understand." And suddenly, the confusion disappears. Everything becomes easier. Your study time drops, your confidence grows, and you finally feel like you're learning for real because the moment you understand something, you don't need to force it. If you're tired of feeling lost, if you're tired of wasting time, if you're ready to study in a smarter, modern way, start learning with AI today. And if you want to learn exactly how to do it, I've already made videos showing you step by step how to get clear explanations, create summaries and outlines, make personalized tests, and even build your own AI study coach. Watch those videos next. They will change the way you study forever. Your problem was never you. Your problem was your method. Change the method, and you'll change your results.